There is an unusual secret that old gardeners pass on only to those who want to have a perfectly green, healthy and fragrant garden. They say that if you do one thing wrong, the parsley will be weak, yellow and full of pests. But if you get this combination right, your garden will bloom like never before. And it all starts with one unexpected plant, garlic. But why him? Here's a truth that many gardeners don't know. If you want healthy, strong and fragrant parsley, then garlic is its best friend in the garden. At first glance, they seem like an ordinary couple. But behind their combination lies a real little magic. Garlic creates a natural shield around the parsley. Its strong scent repels pests such as aphids and root-damaging worms. When growing side by side, parsley is much more resilient and lush. And now a question for you. Have you ever noticed that your parsley starts to turn yellow out of nowhere, for no apparent reason? Write in the comments, this might be the solution you were looking for. Parsley, in turn, helps the garlic. Its root improves the soil structure and helps retain moisture, which is a perfect match for garlic. That's why experienced gardeners say parsley and garlic are the perfect combination for a strong, healthy and naturally protected garden. If you want chemical-free beds, more leaves and more resistant plants, then you definitely need to try this secret in your garden.